Ignition coil parts and functions. 1. Negative terminal. The negative terminal is the connection point for the ground or low voltage input from the ignition system. It completes the electrical circuit for the primary coil, allowing current to flow through it. This terminal is essential for the proper functioning of the ignition coil, as it ensures the primary coil can generate the necessary magnetic field. 2. Positive terminal. The positive terminal is the connection point for the battery's low voltage supply. It provides the initial current to the primary coil, which is then interrupted by the ignition system to create a high voltage pulse. This terminal is crucial for initiating the energy conversion process within the ignition coil. 3. Primary coil. The primary coil is a wire winding that receives low voltage current from the battery. When the ignition system interrupts this current, the magnetic field around the primary coil collapses, inducing a high voltage pulse in the secondary coil. The primary coil's role is to create the initial magnetic field necessary for voltage transformation. 4. Secondary coil. The secondary coil is a wire winding with significantly more turns than the primary coil. It is responsible for generating the high voltage pulse needed to create a spark in the spark plugs. When the magnetic field from the primary coil collapses, it induces a high voltage in the secondary coil, which is then sent to the spark plugs. 5. Iron core. The iron core is located between the primary and secondary coils and serves to amplify the magnetic field generated by the primary coil. It enhances the efficiency of the energy transfer process, ensuring that the secondary coil produces a sufficiently high voltage to create a strong spark. The core is typically made of laminated iron to reduce energy losses due to eddy currents. 6. Output terminal. The output terminal is the connection point for the high voltage wire that carries the electrical pulse from the secondary coil to the distributor or directly to the spark plugs. This terminal ensures that the high voltage pulse is delivered efficiently to the spark plugs, where it ignites the air-fuel mixture in the engine's cylinders.